Ladies and gentlemen, Dhruv and Vikram Talwar. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Anil Talwar and Neena Talwar. Sameer and Ishleen, please.
What a fashion show. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Talwar Sons. And Sameer, on stage, we have with us the man himself.
Absolutely. Before we call him to say a few words, can we all give a huge round of applause to all these fantastic models out here? All the way from Mumbai. All is very, very beautiful, all of them. Thank you, girls. Fantastic job.
All right, and now let's hear it from the man himself, Mr. Anil Talwar.
Good evening, everybody. I think big thanks to everyone for coming over, sparing their time for us. We worked very hard on this entire collection. I hope you liked it. I had a few messages to give, which I think I gave it on the AV there. I would like to add only one thing there, that I think if you think you deserve the best, you have to have the best. Now is the world when people would not settle for anything less than a Mercedes or a Porsche or a BMW. A lady would not settle for anything less than a Gucci's or a LV or whatever. So any piece of jewelry can be copied, friends. It's very easy to copy a piece of jewelry, but an original would always stay an original. I hope you have a lovely evening today, and thank you so much. And a great thanks to all my friends here. Ravina, I've just met her recently, but fantastic person. Ravina, 10 out of 10, every way. Puneetji, if I could give more than 10 out of 10 for you. Dali there, great friend I have over there. Nazneen Bhabhi and Ranjit Baji. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all my friends, all my vendors who've come here to make the evening so great for us. Thanks again. Thanks. Thanks. Over to Ishleen.
You spoke about these fantastic people out here. Let's get them on stage and see what they have to say about this fantastic occasion. Can you first call on the very beautiful Ravina Tandon up on stage?
जो अखियों से गोली मारे.
जो अखियों से गोली मारे, बिल्कुल.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for her. The very gorgeous and the very ravishing Ravina Tandon. Walking the ramp with the very gorgeous Ravina Tandon. Let's hear it for them. I can't take my eyes off you, but I have to give you the mic.
Okay, I think you keep away from me tonight. Samir, she's taking her lines out from you. You know
That's fine. I'm just really chilled out, just looking at you. I'm very fine.
चलो जी कोई गल नहीं
कोई गल नहीं जी पंजाब में
आज मैं सुबह से सुन रही थी कोई नहीं
कोई गल नहीं जी
कोई गल नहीं कोई नहीं but thank you very much for all of you being here this evening. It's been a pleasure for me to spend the day today with Anil Bhai and his full family and at Talwar Sons, with all my friends from Mumbai. They're all my Mumbai girls. Come on, hear it from Mumbai! And Delhi. Okay, we've got one Delhiite here. And as I recently did a song that says, "Main hu Chandigarh ki star." So I would thank Chandigarh for that. And it has been a great response. I have many, many friends here in the audience. I can see Anu there behind grinning away. I can see a lot of friends this side. And my family from Mumbai is here, from the Mumbai film industry. I can say my family, they are here. Puneet Bhai is here. Goli ji is here. रंजीत जी को हम लोग गोली जी बोलते हैं, मारते नहीं है, लेकिन गोली जी बोलते हैं. एंड मेरा गाना था एक अखियों से गोली मारे, तो गोली अंकल सिंह मेरा क्या रोल है यार उसमें, तो अखियों से तो गोली कैसे निकलेगा. बट एनीवे, thank you for being here this evening. You all have all seen a beautiful collection. I was really enthralled by what I saw. It was so beautiful, the workmanship and the finishing, and these girls carried it off all so well. So congratulations to you for another successful show. I'm so happy to be here this evening. And the boys, thank you so much. Yeah.
All right, now the bad boys of the industry. Mr. Puneet Issar, and Goli Bhai and his lovely wife. Can we please have you on stage?
Round of applause to them, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Show some love.
Goli. Goli ji. A big round of applause for them, please. We have the bad boys of the industry. How can you not show your warmth to them? Once again. Goli ji, I'll start with you. A few words.
नहीं वो तो रीना जी ने बोल दिया ना, रवीना जी ने। दोस्तों, इस खूबसूरत शाम में हम दो बदमाशों को बुला लिया इन लोगों ने, और मैं पर्दे पे क्या करता था आप लोग को सबको मालूम ही है। उन दिनों में जो हम लोग ज्वेल्स चोरी करते थे, उठाते, देखिए लड़की के हाथ कांप रहे हैं, पेपर गिर गए हैं।
Sir, it happens once in a blue moon.
अभी तो शुरू हुआ नहीं। एंड ये इस खूबसूरत शाम में लास्ट ईयर भी आया था, बड़ा प्यार मिला, और इस साल शो हैज इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट एंड द वर्कमैनशिप इज ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट। बस मैं आजकल वो नहीं करता हूँ जो पहले करता था, क्यों आजकल फैशन ने मुझे मरवा दिया। पहले हमारी हीरोइन साड़ियाँ पहनती थी, दुपट्टे पहनती थी, हम जाते थे, उनको उठाते थे, खींचते थे, फाड़ते थे, फिर गालियाँ सुनते थे, कुत्ते कमीने, छोड़ दे मुझे, भगवान के लिए छोड़ दे। तो हमारा क्या होता था, हम तो यही बोलते थे, भगवान के लिए छोड़ूंगा तो मेरा क्या होगा। लेकिन आजकल की हीरोइंस जो हैं, हमारे जो फैशन डिजाइनर्स हैं, उनको बहुत कम कपड़े देते हैं, तो फाड़ने का मौका नहीं मिलता है। आई एम आउट ऑफ द जॉब नाउ। दिस इज लोडेड ज्वेलरी, इज इंस्पायरिंग मी अगेन टू गेट बैक टू वर्क। अब तो लड़की के साथ साथ ज्वेलरी भी जाएगी। Anyway, thank you very much. It's a lovely evening, and very happy. And I wish Talwar Sons a great success. They are making a big name in the world, And obviously, husbands का तो जो इन्होंने बोला कि keep your eyes on the wives and on their diamonds. पहले मैं किसी पार्टी वार्टी में जाता था तो बोलते थे अपनी बीवी को बचाओ, अपनी बेटी को बचाओ। अब वो बोलेंगे पहले ज्वेलरी को बचाओ, बाद में बीवी आ ही जाएगी घर पे। थैंक यू वेरी मच, ऑल द बेस्ट। ये गोली भाई आपको वापस देता है।
Ladies and gentlemen, all I want to say is that I'm here for Anil Bhai. He's been family to us. He's a great friend. It was a great show. And as far as the jewelry is concerned, my wife swears by him. She buys all the jewelry here. All the best. It was a grand show. Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for those words. We'd also like to call another gentleman up on stage, without whom this evening would not be possible as well. Mr. Rakesh Agarwal, can you come out here, please? A round of applause for him. The designer for the evening. Thank you so much, Rakesh. Great job. Thank you so much for that. And of course, the legacy continues. Anilji was talking about the fact that the next generation also out here is here to prove a point and go out there and make waves and continue bringing these fantastic designs for all the people who go out there and love jewelry. So let's have a word now from the youngsters in the house. Let's call in Dhruv. A word from you?
I would like to take this opportunity to thank all who have contributed in making this lovely evening. Without this stunning and gorgeous Miss Tandon, this evening would not have been so awesome. So thank you, ma'am, for making time for being here. I'd like to thank Puneet sir, Ranjit sir, and his lovely wife for always being with us. A big thank you to Rakesh Agarwal, whose beautiful clothes were the perfect foil for Talwar Sons jewelry. Last but not the least, Manav Devika, the entire team of Scribbles. You guys run the show. Arun Dhawan, lights and sound, great job. Namit, Meenu, Meetu, excellent work, great show. Thank you all for making this time for the show. We at Talwar Sons really appreciate your continuous support and hope to enchant you for years to come with our creations. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys enjoy the show.
And last but not least,
All right, before unveiling the new campaign, let's hear it louder for the Talwar Sons family, the beautiful models, the gorgeous Raveena Tandon, Mr. and Mrs. Talwar, Vikram and Dhruv Talwar, Puneet Isarji, Goli ji, his beautiful wife. And now, ladies and gentlemen, now is the time when we unveil the new campaign of Talwar Sons. The lovely Mrs. Neena Talwar and Raveena Tandon. Come on, Chandigarh, give it up for them. That's the new poster of the new campaign from the Talwar Sons Anand Talwar Group.
all right, on that note, I want to thank all the wonderful guests up on stage. Thank you, beautiful models out here who've displayed this fantastic jewelry. Thank you so much for joining us on stage. A round of applause for all these wonderful people up here. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to get back to the bar. It's cocktails and dinner. Please join us and enjoy the evening. The night continues.
Thank you. Good night.
From me and Ishling, this is Good Night from the On-Stage activities.